Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. So if this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay guys, so I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a couple styles that you can do when you have your mini twist. So the first one, let's start in the middle. You can do it straight down the middle, right? Just like that. Okay. Numero uno. Then let's keep it in the middle, and we're gonna put, oh, hold on y'all, gotta take some pictures. All right, so that's number one, middle. Okay, we're gonna leave it in the middle, and we're gonna grab just two pieces here from the side, right, like that, and then we're just gonna kind of tie it, just tie it in the back. All right, just keep it off your face. So that's number two. So that's a numero dos. Alrighty. So it's just like this in the back. Nothing special. The next one, we're gonna do just like right in the middle. Just right in the front. We can just do right in the front. We're just gonna gather this a little bit here, and I'm not using this. You can use a scrunchie if you like, but I'm just taking my hair and wrap it around it, right? And then we're just gonna tuck it in, kind of like a half up, half down, but not really. Right? So that's number three. Okay, that's how it's looking from the side. Cute, right? All right, so that was three. And then for number four, we're gonna take the whole front like this, and I'm gonna leave these two pieces hanging down. Not gonna go so high. All right, I'm gonna leave these two pieces hanging down right here in the front. All right, let's go a little higher, and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna just wrap it with the hair. And we just tuck it in somewhere, right? So this is like a half up, half down. What do you think? That was what, 4? All right. The next one we're going to put it everything up. I'm going to leave out this pieces at the side right there. We're just gathering everything to the top until we get to the end. Like I said, you can use a scrunchie for all of these, but I'm just going to all right, guys. Right? So this is like that Janet Jackson ponytail, right? So everything is up. Right? That's cute. And then we can also just take down these 2 pieces right here in the front. Maybe 2 pieces right on the side. Right? That's another one. Okay, another one will be to take this and just kind of wrap it like in a bun, like this, and just tuck it under. You can use a scrunchie, you know, to make it neater, but I'm just giving you guys ideas, right? So that's another one. I think that was like 6. I think. Alrighty. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to keep it in the middle, right? And then I'm just going to like, not going to really do a braid. I'm just going to do like a twist. Kind of like a twist. Let's start from here. I was gonna twist it kind of like this. Now for this one, instead of me using a scrunchie, hold on guys, I'm just gonna gather it. And then I'm just going to take these 2 pieces to like hold it and then like tie it back here. Instead of me using you can use a hairpin if you like and just stick it in there. Right? So we're just tying it back here. Like this. So that's another one. Okay, and then we could do like a semi middle part, like not all the way over. I think it's better on this side, like not all the way over. Make sure your scalp is clean, guys. No flakes around here, okay? Oil your scalp very, very often to keep it, like you said, protected. Protective style. Alright, so this is another one. Okay. And then one of my favorite is this one where we go all the way over to the side. Right? All the way over. Like this. Okay, that's another one. All right. And then we can take this one and put it back like this. I have a clip, doesn't match, but it's just to give you guys an idea. You guys don't have to see back there. So it's basically, you know, push that one back. So that's another style. Okay. All right, let's see if I can do another one. Another one will be just taking the front back like this, like half of it. Instead of doing like a high, half up, half down situation. We'll take it all the way back, like further, so it's not so high. Like so. Like this. So that's this one. And the last one will be, now if you have to go to an office and you know, we have a little meeting and we want to look very corporate-ish. Just gonna put it in a, so we have a low ponytail, right? Make sure we fix the front. We have a low ponytail. Okay, so that's a low ponytail right there. And then the last one will be to wrap this in a bun. So I'm just gonna split the hair, take one part, wrap it around itself, tuck it in. I hope it stays. So we're tucking everything away. Like that. Nice little bun. Don't know how this is looking back here, but I have one more. All right, we have one more. All right, so and I'm using this little black scrunchie. All right, so we can leave her hanging down like one of these. Remember that picture of Janet Jackson on that, I forgot which album it was, and it looks like this. Hey, let's leave this one for the thumbnail. Do I look crazy? I think I look crazy with this one. All right. What I really want to do is just wrap it in a bun. So this is probably going to be like a little messy bun situation. Yeah, it's not going to be very neat. It's going to be like messy. We can have a few pieces hanging down like that. Pieces in the front. Just pull a few of them out. Right? Let's take one more down. Yeah, you can use a scrunchie, but I'm just giving you guys, like, you know, some ideas. So that's one. I think it's a little crooked, but that's another one. Okay. That's it. I hope you like. Just like that, guys, we have come to the end of the video. Just showing you a few ways that you can style your mini twists. Okay, guys, so if you love this video and you're enjoying my content, please remember once you watch a video to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share with a friend or a few friends. Subscribe to the channel and also turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.